Professional equipment demands professional care. Downtime is not an option. Atlas Copco has developed different preventative maintenance programs to suit specific tools and production needs. This ensures the lowest life cycle cost and highest productivity. For pulse tools and grinders, regular oil and service part kit changes at specified intervals are critical. Tests have shown that performing preventative maintenance improves air efficiency by 15 to 20% and decreases air consumption and CO2 emissions by the same amount. Tensor tool preventative maintenance is even more critical due to the higher tool accuracy and the fact that it's used in quality critical applications. With experience from more than 500 preventative maintenance programs, we can offer our customers tailor-made preventative maintenance programs to match their production needs.